So let's talk about lasagna pans and compare this one to that one so that you can decide which one is best for you. So product number one is going to be these Reynolds non-stick pans. These are perfect if you are going ahead and taking this to someone else. You're not going to be keeping it at home. They are made of foil. They are disposable. Very unlikely that you're going to be able to go ahead and actually wash this out after you use it. This is perfect for lasagna, any type of casserole, if you're trying to bake a cake, for any kind of function. And when you purchase them, they do come in sets of 2, and they do come with lids, and then you can also go ahead and get them in larger quantities. Now, product number 2 is actually going to be this Pyrex lasagna dish. This is not something that I would donate to anybody if you were having to take something over to someone's house. This is much easier to transport. However, it is a little bit more flimsy, so you must be careful if you're carrying a heavier baked item in this here. This one has handles on each side for you to be able to go ahead and carry. I do like the weight of it. I also like how easy it is for you to be able to go ahead and put it into the oven if you are cooking something. And again, you can put lasagna, a casserole, or even bake a cake in this one. So either way, they both have great uses. You just need to decide which one is best for you. So hopefully this overview will help you decide. But thanks guys for watching, and y'all have a great day.